Hey y'all, it's Julie the nursing tutor. I got a Pitocin problems for you. Here we go. A patient's receiving Pitocin or oxytocin at a rate of 8 milliunits per minute. You're not freaking out. The Pitocin is supplied in an IV bag that contains 10 units of Pitocin and 1,000 milliliters of lactated ringers. What is the required IV infusion rate in milliliters an hour? Okay. First of all, you got to know that 1 unit equals 1,000 milliunits. This is key information you got to have. So if we have 10 units and we multiply those 10 units times 1,000, look, I'm going to do it in the calculator. 1, 2, 3 times 10 equals, we have 10,000 milliunits. 1, 2, 3. And that is per 1,000 mLs. Okay, so this is our dose on hand. And look, it's going at a rate of 8 milliunits a minute. Who wanted that? Not me. I don't care what it goes at. And it's 8 a minute. And you know Ethel, she wants it in milliliters per hour. So when you see 8 units a minute, you will not freak out. You will not have tears you're trying to read through. You're going to take, if it's 8 units a minute, we just multiply it by 60 to get how many milliunits an hour. So it's 60 times 8, 480 milliunits is what they would be getting in an hour, okay? So this is our new dose order. When they give you minutes, you're cool, because you know you're grown. And you can multiply it times 60. So what he wants is 480 milliunits. What we have is 10,000 milliunits. We're milliunit rich. How does that come? In 1,000 milliliters. And we're going to do this math. This divided by that times that. Get your calculator. Let's do it together. It'll bring us closer. 480 divided by 10. 1, 2, 3. Count them zeros. Don't look because you're not done. Times 1, 1, 2, 3 equals. So that's got to go at 48 milliliters per hour. Look, boom. We saved another one. Okay, you like it. Let's do this next one. Now look, I know, just calm down. Because this is there's a lot of fluff in this one. It said your patient was started on Pitocin infusion at a rate of 1 milliunit per minute. The Pitocin is provided in a bag of 30 units in 500 milliliters. So look, we know 30 units times 1,000 milliunits is going to be 30,000 milliunits. And that's in 500 milliliters. Okay? The healthcare provider has ordered that the infusion be titrated by 1 milliunit per minute every 30 minutes with a maximum rate of 20 milliunits per minute, depending on the contraction pattern and the fetal monitor parameters. Patient and fetus are tolerating the medication well with no issues noted. You have now increased the Pitocin to a rate of 2 milliunits per minute. How many milliliters an hour is the patient currently receiving? So look, the only thing you need out of this is this line right here. Pitocin at 2 milliunits. That's what we're bumping it up to now. Milliunits per minute. And you have to have your dose on hand, which is 30 units in 500 milliliters of normal saline. The rest of that is distractors. I know you probably vomited in your mouth a little bit, but grab your beverage, take a swallow, and let's just clear our mind. So if it's going at 2 units per minute, you know what we're finna do. We're gonna multiply that sucker times 60, and it's gonna be 120 milliunits an hour. So this is the new dose order. And we're gonna do this, 120 milliunits. And what do we have in our hand? 30,000. We rich. How's that come? In 500 milliliters. And then we're gonna do this math like Olympic gold medalist. 120 divided by 30, 123 equals, times 500 equals. It's gotta go in at 2 milliliters per hour. Look, boom, sure enough is going in at 2 milliliters an hour. Okay, I'm gonna stop this one right here. I got 2 more to do, but I hope you enjoyed this. Marinate yourself in it.